Hey friends, let's do Tears Are Falling guitar lesson by Kiss. And with this song we're tuned to F, so just tune each string up a semitone. So let's make a start, I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just going to be playing the open E string, palm muting. We're going to be doing eighth notes, and we do that for 4 bars there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're coming up to the E power chord, so 7 on the 8, 9 on the D, but play the open E as well. So they do a palm mute on the open E, go back to the E power chord 2 times. Come up to a D power chord but play the open E at the same time, and then up to the E power chord with the open E, palm mute 1 on the open E, and then play the D E again with that low E. Palm mute the open E, 2 E power chords, the D to the E again with the open E, 2 palm mutes on the open E, and then just play the D power chord to the C power chord, and you can use your whammy bar, I don't have one on this, and then come up to E and D. And we just repeat that 2 times, so let me do that slowly. And that's our intro riff, but that's also our chorus riff as well. From there we have the verse. Let me play that for you. So we just start on the E power chord playing, we're holding there, then go back to the D power chord and do a down, up, down. Hold that there, go back to the E, do the same, down, up, down. Back to the D again, same. Then we're going to play 4 on the A, 7 on the D. We're going to play it, slide up to 5, back to 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. So we're just sliding on the A string, and the 7th fret doesn't change on the D string. So come back up to the E power chord, just play it once there, and then back to the D and our down, up, down. And that's our verse. Then from there we have the pre-chorus. Let me do that for you. So pretty easy, we're just playing the C power chord, our down, up, down again. Then we're going to play 4 on the G, 5D, 3 on the A, back to 5D, 4G, 5 on the D, 3 on the A. So then come back to the D and just play a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do it again with 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our pre-chorus there. From there we go to the chorus, and it's just that intro riff 3 times again. So just that 3 times, and that's our chorus. From there we go back to the verse, exactly the same as before, pre-chorus the same as before, then our chorus is exactly the same again, and then we have our solo there. And we have 2 guitar parts here, or 2 rhythm parts in the solo, and we'll do the solo at the end. So let's look at the rhythm parts first. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So the chords for the solo are just the E power chord, hold for 4 bars. Then play it again and hold for another 2 bars. Then go to the D power chord, hold that for 2 bars. back to the E 2 bars, to the C, just play it for a bar, C power chord, D power chord for a bar, and then back to the E power chord for 2 bars, and then to the D power chord for 2 bars. Now that's guitar 1, and the second guitar is just doing palm muting. When we're playing the E chord, we're palm muting the open E string, do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So when we're doing the D power chord, play the 5th fret on the A string, do it exactly the same way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then when we're playing the C power chord, do the same again. And that's a rhythm behind the solo there. Then we have the next pre-chorus, just changes a little bit, but this is really easy. Let me play that for you. So we're just playing the C for 2 bars, 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to D, do exactly the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and do that 2 times, back to the C, to the D. And then to finish the rhythm off, we just go back to the chorus, which is our intro riff, and just keep playing that to the end. Now let's have a look at our solo. So with the solo, we've got a harmony on there as well, and I'll show you that at the end. So we're just starting with a bend on the G string on the 7th fret, then do a bend on the 10th fret E, then jump to the D string 4, slide to 5, slide up to 9 on the G, play 12 G, slide up to 14, so 12 again, slide up to 14, play 14, then do a bend on 15B, then do 15, pull off to 12, back to 15 on the B, then slide up to the 9th fret on the G, 8B, 9G, then on the B, 8, 10, do a bend on 10, 10, 8, 7, stay on the B, bend 8, play 5, and then we're jumping to the G string, do a bend on 2, and then play 2, pull off the open, hammer onto 2. Then we have this next section, big stretch here. We're going to have E string 12, pull off to 7, play 12 on the B, back to 7 E, and then do 12, pull off to 7 on the B. So do that again, 12, 7, 12, 7, 12, pull off to 7. And then on the B string we play 8, 10, E, 7, back to B, 10, 8, 7, 8, pull off to 7, then to G, 9, 7, 9. So slowly. Then we're coming up to 14G, 15B, 17E, and do that again, so 2 times there. Then play 14G again, and then we're doing it backwards. 17E, 15B, 14G, and do that again. So slowly. Then do a bend on 17 on the E, and then do a tone and a half bend on 17, and then bend again on 17, so. Then 15E, jump to B, 15, hammer onto 17, E, 15, B, 17, So we're going to put a slide in after that. Then we slide up to the 12th fret B, play 15. Then we're repeating this little lick here. 17, pull off to 12 on the E, 15 on the B. And do that 14 times. Then we're staying on the E, we're going to play 17, 12, 17, 12, 17 on the B, back to 12 on the E. We do that 4 times. So. And then to finish that off, we've got this little run. E string, 17, 15, 14, B string, 17, 15, 14, 15, 17, back to E, 14, 15, 17, B, 17, 19, 20, E, 17, 19, 20, and then B, 19, 20, 22, E, 19, 20, 22, and a bend there. And that's the main solo. Now let's have a look at the harmony, and that starts when he does the 4, sliding up to the 5 on the D. The harmony is 5, slide up to 7, play 4G, 5 on the B, play it again, slide up to 7, and then he does the bend on the 15 with no harmony. Then the next part, our harmony comes in on the 9er. So the harmony is 9 on the D, 9 on the G, 9 on the D, 9 on the G, 7 on the B, do a bend on 7, 7, and then G, 9, 7, do a bend on 7 on the G, and 4 on the G. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Tears Are Falling Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.